Good morning, guys. It is day 4 at the cabin, and it is also chainsaw maintenance day. Poulan Pro 505 with a 20-inch bar. I really like this saw. It's heavy, it's powerful, but I'm just, I'm not falling big timber, so a shorter bar is fine for me. What are we going to do today? We're going to pull the bar off. I'm going to run up to the shop. I'm going to blow the air compressor in there. I find that the best way to clean out all the little oil ports and parts and pieces that are inside there. And we're going to fill it with 40-to-1 gasoline. We're going to fill it with bar chain lube. And then I'm going to put it all back together. Make sure the tension of the blade, which is obviously shot, is no good. I actually had it apart a minute ago just to look at something, make sure there wasn't any real damage, and it seems to be fine. And then I'm going to show you guys some before and after pictures of the teeth, kind of show you what you're looking for in order to get good, fast, easy cutting, which is what you want, because good, fast, easy cutting is also safe cutting. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, guys, we got a little bit of air compressing done here. I've got the inside of the bar and chain assembly cleaned out. Got the bar cover cleaned out. Bar's relatively clean. Chain's relatively clean. This chainsaw is going right back into action. But as I was walking back from the barn, I wanted to share something with you guys. Some people don't understand why I come down here for a week or two at a time and hang out by myself, but it is nothing short of a gorgeous day. Thanks for being here with me. Okay, guys, let's get this saw back together. Okay, guys, we've got this thing put back together and adjusted. It's time for sharpening. Now, I am no expert. There are guys out here in the mountains that cut every single day, and I don't claim to know anything compared to them. But if you're a guy who does a little more than just cutting fallen limbs in your yard, if you're a guy like me who's got to cut firewood, who's got to clear trails, these things need sharpened once a day, I would say, or every other day of use. And the reason for that is the more dull the saw is, the more work you do. So I'm going to go ahead and sit here and go through my routine of sharpening it, and I'll show you guys some before and after pictures. Okay, that process took probably 2 or 3 minutes, and in my opinion, it's well worth it. We are processing some firewood today. These are 2 dead oak trees that happen to be on the back side of the shooting range, and we're going to go ahead and drop them and get them processed for firewood. Let's go ahead and get this second one down. That saw's heavy.